What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to turn your brand logo into an animated GIF. All online and free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to Google and type logoai.com, just like this. Go to this first result, logoai.com. Into the upper right corner of your screen, to the navigation menu, go to Design Studio. Scroll down just a little bit until you can find logo animation. Then you have to upload your brand logo right here. And you can choose from all of those layouts. Let me apply some zoom off. There is some pro features. There is free features, okay? You can download as GIF or download as WebM, a video. To download, you must create an account on. Let's repeat the process. Now, let's download. Download made. Here is my GIF. Nice and working. And you can share this on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on any place that you want. Nice, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!